Hi guys, today we got one of our best challenges ever. It is something to do with Coke. What we got to do, guys, we got to shake that up and we're going to make a Coke slush puppy. To do that, you're going to need to put it in the freezer for 3 hours, 15 minutes. So it should be in clock. Go to timer. Hours. No, not 6. 3 hours. 3 hours 15 minutes. Then we hit start. Before we do that, put this away. Put this away because now we've got to get out our Coke. Might have to put the camera somewhere. So I might have to. Sorry. Let's go and put that in the freezer. It's in there. Let's go to start the timer, guys. There you go. Might have got myself a little bit. That's right. And there you go. We'll be back in 3 hours right now. Right, guys, this is the end result. Let's open it up over the sink. Look at this. That's the result. Taste of it now. That's the result, guys. Explode it. What it needs is a little straw. Bit suddy, bit. I'll pause when I get a straw. If I can find a straw. Result is can't find a straw. Dude, this isn't great. Trying to stop it. That isn't good. I'm not going to be able to let that don't explode. Well, that's not doing it. See, I bet you guys are enjoying watching that. I wish there was a straw. That's nice, actually. I'm enjoying it, guys. Share with you. I'm on Coke injecting now. It's nice. Good job, guys. I done it over the sink. That is a slush puppy, guys. Broke up the ice a bit. Look, I'll just push that in a minute, guys. Look. Watch that, it's good. But eat that one then. How you do it, guys? Go to the shop and buy a Coke. You can do it. 3 hours, 15 minutes, guys. Just go to any shop and buy a Coke. You can do it with any Coke. Shake it up really hard. You have to shake it really hard. And just shove it. Don't open it, guys. If you undo the lid, keep it sealed when you do it, guys. Because if you undo the top, you can't do the challenge then. So we went to the shop and bought a Coke. Drink it with you guys. It's quite late, guys. It's gone midnight, it has. It's 12:33. It is. It's 12:33 at night, guys. The earliest time I ever go to bed, guys, is about 3. That's the earliest. 2 o'clock. 2 AM at the earliest, guys. I'm up very late. When doing YouTube videos, your sleeping pattern is not normal. And as well, guys, thank you for 26 subscribers. I'll soon get some more, guys. I need 10 likes on this video. If this video hits 10 likes, I'll do some more challenges, guys. I'm not going to really focus on all these challenges. Not really focusable. If I see a challenge and I feel like doing it, guys, I just do it. I haven't been doing much gaming videos, guys. I haven't been uploading a lot. Because my computer ain't that powerful, guys. I'm getting a more powerful computer later. When I do, I'll do some more videos. It's been pretty good doing these videos with you guys. We appreciate you guys. And as well, guys, go follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. Subscribe to Joe Sib Cars. That is my second channel. Subscribe to my second. All this is in the description. My Twitter is called Joe Sib. And just go and follow me on Twitter. I might get some like Instagram later. I might, guys. I might not. I'm really not sure. Some people have more than just one. I should have quite a bit of social media later. I've been doing a lot to my Minecraft world. Because later on, guys, I will be putting my world on download. You're getting a lot, guys, you know. I'm enjoying this. But guys, please like, and subscribe, and right, that's it. Please like and subscribe, and right, that's it.